You believe it? A man was kicked out of his house because he spent his entire life researching and building a car that can run forever without an external energy source. It sounds like science fiction, but it's completely real. This car works perfectly thanks to the unique combination of flywheel power and spring elasticity to maintain continuous motion. This combination creates an incredibly powerful and efficient energy source, allowing the car to move safely at a maximum speed of 50 km/h. What's the secret? The machine harnesses the power of the flywheel and the elasticity of the springs to maintain continuous motion. The flywheel stores kinetic energy as it spins, much like a top that never stops. The springs are constantly compressed and released, generating force to drive the flywheel, keeping it in perpetual motion. This process happens automatically and continuously, creating a sustainable and inexhaustible energy source. This is an incredibly impressive scientific breakthrough, opening up a new future for the automotive and energy industries. Do you believe that one day, this car could change the world?